Hello and welcome. Today we're excited to introduce this elegant and dependable 2011 Toyota Sienna XLE wheelchair accessible van. Brought to you by Automobility Store. Designed to blend luxury, comfort, and accessibility all in one seamless package. This Sienna has been converted by Freedom Motors with a rear entry automatic fold-out ramp and kneel system. A design that delivers effortless access while preserving precious cabin space for passengers. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the generous interior space. The floor spans 90 inches long by 30.5 inches wide, offering ample room for mobility devices. The ramp itself measures a roomy 40 by 30 inches, and the rear door opening stands 57 inches tall, making entry and exit smooth and hassle-free. The sleek white exterior exudes understated elegance, while inside you'll appreciate the refined gray leather seats and plenty of natural light streaming through the sunroof, adding a touch of luxury to every ride. One standout feature is the full slide passenger transfer seat, offering flexibility and ease in seating arrangements. Powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, this Sienna delivers smooth and reliable performance. Ideal for everything from short errands to long road trips. What really sets this van apart is the incredibly low mileage. At just 27,550 miles, it promises plenty of dependable days ahead, especially for families of those seeking long-term value. So if you're looking for a wheelchair-accessible van that doesn't compromise on comfort, style, or performance, this 2011 Toyota Sienna XLE is an exceptional choice. Want to learn more or schedule a walk-around? Call us at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com.